Do you enjoy crocheting? Do you need a little extra money? Have you ever thought about taking your crochet hobby and turning that into a business? Well, I have 3 ways in which you can do that. Coming up, hi everyone, I'm Diette and welcome back to Turtle Creativity. Today, I'm here to share with you 3 ways in which you can take your crochet hobby and turn it into a crochet business. Let's dive right in. Okay, tip number 1. You can begin to sell your items. So all of the items that you create, your scarves, hats, blankets, bags, whatever that you are creating for family, friends, co-workers, or even yourself, you can sell. Now, where are you going to sell them? Well, one way that you can sell your items is to open up an Etsy store. Now, to open up an Etsy store, it doesn't take too much to do, but Etsy does take a percentage from your sales. That's okay though, because your items get in front of people who are looking for those special items made with love. Now, if you don't want to go the Etsy route, you can utilize social media. So, looking at Instagram, you can take pictures of those scarves, hats, or whatever your specialty is, and people are able to DM you with the color, how many they want, and then you can begin to talk about prices of those items. Now, Facebook is another way. Facebook allows you to set up a page and you can have an online store created right on Facebook. Again, everyone is able to see the items that you have for sale and they're able to actually purchase it and check out from your store. Now, we're on the platform of YouTube. You can do the same thing. Showing your pictures of the things that you have to sell, people can contact you and you can begin the conversation of what they want, how much it costs, and you can get it shipped to them. Another way is to create your very own website. With your very own website, you can direct people there so that they can see your items, they can purchase the items, and you can have shipped to them the very thing that you created with love. Now, another way is to connect with your community. Connecting with your community, you can look at different boutiques that are in your community and you can sell your items there. Talking to an owner, you can discuss the prices of your items and the percentage that they will receive for selling your items. Ready for tip number 2? All right. I know as a crocheter, we have all used a pattern from time to time. And if you love your crochet hobby, I know that you have created your own pattern from time to time as well. Well, that very pattern you can sell as well. You can sell it on Etsy, you can list it on Pinterest, you can list it on your own website. You can definitely utilize your own pattern and sell it. You can even take it a step further and create your own ebook or write an entire book that would be available for sale with all of your crochet patterns in it. Tip number 3. All right, the last way in which you can turn your hobby into a business is to share the very gift that you have. Become an educator and teach others the skill, the art that you have fell in love to do. That's right. You can do crochet classes. Now, ways you can do that, you can connect with your community centers, you can connect with your local library and offer crochet classes. You can also connect with the school system. Maybe start an after school after school program with the local middle school, high school, even elementary schools may be interested in showcasing a 6-week, maybe 8-week class of crochet, especially during the summertime. You also can create an online course. You can create one video to showcase how to maybe do a beginner stitch and then record some private videos that those who are interested in taking that crochet skill to the another level, they can purchase that e-course straight from you. Well, those are my 3 ways that you can take your crochet hobby and make a little cash. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell to stay in tune for everything that we do here at Turtle Creativity. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy crocheting, everyone!